The TT23 is the next generation of Trig's compact transponder line. Successor to the TT21 and TT22, the world's best-selling compact transponders. It's simple to install and simple to use. This new design is smaller and lighter, reducing space and weight in your aircraft, while adding exciting new features. Fully certified and suitable for VFR or IFR flight in a wide range of aircraft. The TT23 is a Class 1 Mode S transponder with ADS-B out. Available in two versions, the first is the TT23G model. It's a Mode S transponder with a built-in GPS receiver, the ideal choice for an integrated ADS-B out solution. It's great for experimental and light sport aircraft that need to meet the requirements for ADS-B out in the United States. In other markets, where ADS-B is voluntary, the TT23G is a perfect solution for enhancing conspicuity and safety. If you already have a suitable GPS position source on board, the TT23 model, without GPS, can also be used as an ADS-B solution. An STC is available to integrate with all the main third-party navigators, as well as the Trig TN70 remote position source. If you don't intend to equip with ADS-B out, this is a great transponder with easy configuration options that make it suitable for any application. Both models are mounted remotely from the instrument panel, giving maximum flexibility on panel space and antenna wiring. The transponder is controlled by the popular TC20 control head. Well known for its compact size, this takes up minimal space and depth in the panel. The controller has a built-in altitude encoder, saving additional space and weight. Trig's Better by Design philosophy means our products are simple to operate. A clear, bright LCD screen is visible in full sunlight, rapid selection of your squawk code, a VFR button for the standard squawk, and ident button all make it easy to use, so you can focus on flying. The TC20 is even splash-proof, making it ideal for open cockpits. If you like the TT23 and TC20, you should also take a look at the matching TY91 compact VHF radio. It has the same controller features and provides a full-featured comm radio and intercom in a tiny package. Trig has been making high-performance avionics affordable for more than 20 years and has continued this legacy with the new TT23. Contact an approved Trig dealer to find out more.